How to enable two-factor authentication on Discord. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. For that, first of all, you want to go ahead and simply open Discord application in your mobile device. Once you have opened the application, you want to go ahead and log in to your account. Once logged in, tap on U icon at the bottom right corner. Then from here, tap on settings like icon. Then inside here, simply tap on account. Now inside accounts, you will then be able to find Enable Authenticator app. Go ahead and tap onto it. And then you want to go ahead and type in your password. And then tap on next. Just like so, you want to go ahead and copy this code. Head back to your home screen, open your app store and then download an Authenticator app from there. Once you have downloaded the app, you want to go ahead and open the Authenticator application. Tap on the plus icon, then tap on others. Just like so, tap on enter code manually, then paste the key that you have just copied, and then name it Discord. Once done, tap on finish, then scroll below, find Discord, then simply copy this one-time code, head back to Discord, tap on next, and then just like that, your 2FA is activated. If you would like to enable SMS authentication, you want to go ahead and tap onto it, but for now, I'm going to go ahead and tap on done. And as you can see that now it says remove authentication app. And that is simply how you can enable 2FA on Discord. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.